Hey everybody, this is Frederick Ball. I will be your professor this semester for your class. I wanted to give you a quick little welcome video so you know who you're talking to during the course of the semester when I email you or leave comments on your work or exchange ideas with you during the course of our discussions. So some of you are familiar with Canvas, some of you may not be. And I just wanted to give you just a quick overview of the course, and then I'll let you look at things on your own. The first thing that you want to do is you want to go to the college's homepage. And let me just bring this up just a little bit. The college's homepage, and you'll go to My SWC, and you'll log in. And then for My SWC, my portal will probably look a little different than yours, but your classes here. Let's see what that is. Hold on. My classes are here, the ones that I'm teaching. Yours are probably arranged a little bit differently. But when you go to your classes, this is what you're going to be looking for. English 115 this summer. Welcome. And you will want to take a minute or two and go through the syllabus and see what is out there. Just so you know, there are no textbooks to buy for the class. Everything is online for you. You can go through and look at the course expectations, what we're going to be doing. There's a lot of work. It's a 16-week class in an 8-week session, so be prepared. And rules, policies, and all that other fun stuff. For the first couple weeks, there's a couple ways to get your assignments. The first week, you're going to be going here to modules, really the first couple days. And your first assignment is to review the course and check out some information that I've posted for you online about the class. And the next few pages here are getting ready for online learning, if you're prepared for it, the time commitment. Some people think online classes are easier than face-to-face classes. For some people it is, for some people it's harder. You will be the judge of that pretty soon. So you're just going to go through here and kind of read through the information that I posted for you. Your first assignment is to respond to a discussion board, and I mentioned here the first day or two you're going to be looking at modules. After that, though, everything that you need to do is going to be right here for you. So, for example, your first assignment, which is due the first day, is to introduce yourself to the class. And the questions are here. And all you have to do is click on reply and get started with your typing. Then there is a second quick response that's due here. Again, click on the reply to get started and just follow the directions, and so on. Most of the assignments are reading and responding, or reading and doing an essay, that kind of thing. So I think it's pretty straightforward, but just always look to the calendar here, the to-do calendar as well. And then there also will be announcements. I will add that here. I will be emailing you at least once a week to check in with you and remind you about what's coming up. I'll also check in with you if there are any issues or concerns. I'll tell you now, due dates will change, readings will change. You guys can see my front door. So just be aware of that. There will be announcements here, but you'll also want to check your campus email a couple times a week, if not a little more often. So there is that. Modules, syllabus, grades. You can always see what your grades are in the class by clicking on grades. And here it's broken down by assignment. And at the end of all this, hopefully you're not freaking out here with all these assignments, but at the end of all this will be your total. So this will be your however many points you have and divided by how many points you could have. So there are no surprises. I have no separate grade book. Whatever is here is your grade. All right. So take some time, look around, and gosh, the other thing I just want to mention here is all the assignments are here, but you can also look at it from View Course Calendar. And you'll see here, there's a couple things due every day, Monday through Thursday. I'll tell you though, I really look for shorter readings. So for example, you know, anytime you see something here, the reading is going to be fairly short, and then there'll be a 1-paragraph response. It's not until you get to the first paper where we're talking 3, 4, 5-page essays. So that's pretty good. If you want to take a look ahead, you can. The assignments, the readings, the due dates are subject to change, and I will let you know if that happens. And just a heads up, you'll see in the syllabus I don't take late work. It's especially challenging during the summer semester because we move so quickly and I have a lot of students and it's hard to keep track of anything. So it's actually a good idea to work a couple days in advance. So if you could do like maybe 2 assignments at once, if you're able to, that would be great, because I will tell you, life does happen. Things happen. You get sick. Loved ones get sick. Drama, whatever. Hopefully this is a drama-free semester, but believe me, I know how things go. So everything is due by midnight. 11:59 technically each night. So keep that in mind. Work a day or 2 ahead, and that will save you the headache of life getting in the way. All right. So we're together June 17th, all the way till July 8th. August 8th, when we're wrapping up. And I still have things to add here. So there you go. That is an introduction to the class. I will follow up with another video shortly, but that's it for now. Talk to you soon.